Chicken 65, a dish rich in South Asian flavors that will have you reaching for seconds before you've even finished the first piece. Let's explore the intricacies of this mouth-watering recipe. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. To commence, we embark on the marination process for 1½ skinless chicken pieces. In a mixing bowl, combine a tablespoon of salt, a heaped tablespoon of dhania jeera, a tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of red color, 2 tablespoons each of garlic and ginger paste, and a squeeze of a whole lemon. Ensure a thorough mix and allow the chicken to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. As the chicken absorbs the flavors, prepare an oven tray generously coated with oil. Evenly spread the marinated chicken on the tray, providing ample space between each piece. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and let the chicken cook for a tantalizing 50 minutes. While the chicken sizzles in the oven, let's craft the chicken 65 tadka. In a medium heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and dry roast them until they begin popping, a process that should take approximately 45 seconds. Introduce a 1/4 cup of oil followed by sliced onions. Fry the onions until they achieve translucency. And halfway through, add around 8 dried red chilies. Continue the frying process, then comes the star of the dish, fresh curry leaves. Fry for an additional 2 minutes, reducing the heat to low until the chicken is ready. Once the chicken is cooked to perfection, transfer it to a circular serving dish. Spoon the chicken masala from the oven tray over the pieces, then generously pour the tadka all over the cooked chicken. Gently mix the components for an even infusion of flavors. Behold, chicken 65, meticulously crafted in the oven, delivering an exquisite taste experience. No need to resort to the local takeaway. Create this masterpiece at home and revel in the knowledge of precisely what goes into this culinary creation. It has undoubtedly become my go-to chicken recipe when I crave an extraordinary dish. I appreciate your company today and sincerely hope you'll venture into making this soon. Feel free to share your culinary adventure with me. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and your insightful comments go a long way in enhancing our culinary community. Happy cooking!